5 healing herbs to beat insomnia and get the best sleep ever. Sleep is as essential to human life as breathing and eating. Without proper sleep, the body just can't function. During sleep, the body solidifies and consolidates memories. That is, smaller chunks of information that we took in during the day transfer to long-term storage at night while our body is at rest. Also, during sleep our bodies grow muscle, synthesize hormones, repair tissue, restore, and rejuvenate. Most of us have suffered from some form of insomnia from time to time in our lives. The good news is there are some very effective herbs that can be used to help bring balance back to the body and promote relaxation, allowing the body to heal and self-regulate. 1. Valerian. The root of this tall perennial flowering plant is dried and used as a calming agent and sleep aid. According to numerous studies, valerian may help reduce the amount of time it takes a person to fall asleep and also help increase the duration and quality of sleep. If you take in capsule form, it is recommended that you take about an hour or so before bed. The impact should last at least 6 hours. 2. Lavender. Lavender is a woody shrub with a very pleasant aroma and lovely purple flowers. A cup of warm lavender tea before bed is a great way to promote relaxation, which can help with anxiety, depression, stress, and insomnia. In addition to drinking tea, try spraying your pillow with lavender pillow mist or soaking in a hot bath with a few drops of lavender essential oil and Epsom salts. 3. Magnolia bark. Magnolia bark, used extensively in Chinese medicine, is known to reduce cortisol levels and promote relaxation of both the body and the mind. Not only can this have a positive impact on improving duration and quality of sleep, but it can also help reduce the risk of obesity and type 2 diabetes. Italian studies found that magnolia bark eased anxiety, and when bark extract was combined with magnesium, it improved sleep, mood, reduced anxiety and depression in menopausal women. It's best to take this herb before bed since it promotes rapid drowsiness. 4. Ashwaganded. Considered one of the most powerful herbs in Ayurvedic practice, ashwaganded, native to India, has been used since ancient times for a number of conditions. The plant itself is in the same family as the tomato and has tiny, red, raisin-like fruit. Although the leaves and the fruit of this plant have therapeutic value, it is the root that is most potent. Used commonly by people to strengthen their immune system after an illness, research published in the Indian Journal of Psychological Medicine shows that this herb also reduces chronic stress by reducing cortisol levels without taking away energy. Study participants who took the herb also experienced feeling more relaxed, mentally calm, had reduced anxiety, less depression, and reduced insomnia. 5. German chamomile. The tops of these pretty daisy-like flowers have been used to make a calming and soothing tea for hundreds of years. Chamomile is widely regarded as a mild tranquilizer and sleep inducer. Sedative effects may be due to the flavonoid, a pignon that binds to benzodiazepine receptors in the brain. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends and family. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.